There was a time when women were only responsible for taking care of the family and for household chores. As times are changing, more and more women in India are going out to work. We are seeing the number of young girls and women studying and working outside their homes increasing day by day. A woman is a caretaker, an educator, a global shaper, and all these roles make her an important part of our future. Thus, they must feel safe and protected everywhere they go. Many cities in India are developing and are supporting women empowerment where women who desire to study or work can freely migrate. The safety of women is a matter of great concern and is a major part of most governments' agenda, which involves policies aiming to reduce gender-based violence and crime. Welcome to InFact. Today we bring to you the top 10 safest cities in India. Mumbai. Mumbai has consistently been ranked as one of the safest cities in India. Being the most developed and posh city in India, it is also the financial and commercial hub. The city not just plays a role in people's lives through its economy and finance, but also entertains its citizens with the most satisfying and profitable offers. It is also considered one of the most expensive cities in India, but keeping in view the privileges it offers to people, the expenses are all worth it. Mumbai is also very famous for its fashion trends and Bollywood film shoots. Many migrants from various parts of India come to the dream city to try their luck at films. Mumbai has an excellent nightlife which is enjoyed by most people. You will see shops, restaurants, malls open even in the wee hours of the night. Women feel safe to travel even at night in Mumbai due to readily available transport and buzzing nightlife. Whether it's the poor or rich, male or female, everyone here is welcomed with an open heart. Bangalore. Bangalore is also known as Silicon Valley of India. Being the Cosmo City and the IT center, its pop culture dominates everything else that it offers. IT hubs and its tech are solely responsible for many people tending to move to this city for work and study. Over 62% of people in Bangalore are immigrants, which makes the city more diverse in terms of their cultural values and traditional ethics. It is now the third most populous city in India. It also offers a varied cuisine with dishes from all around the world. Citizens in Bangalore show great unity and hospitality among themselves, which has made the city a very safe place to live in, especially for women. Bangalore has got plenty of rental flats for its migrants with very low rental index that are also safe and comfortable. So there is no need to worry about the stay if you are willing to move to this beautiful city. Pune. Pune is one of the developing industrial and urban hubs in the western Indian state of Maharashtra and thus offers plenty of opportunities in various parameters, just like Mumbai and Bangalore. Its strong public and private infrastructure have made the city an attractive destination for all Indians. The nature and wildlife around the city also contribute to its peaceful environment. Pune has more of Marathi culture and ethos and hence it is a seat to North Indian classical music. Many job seekers and students tend to migrate to Pune because of its high prominence to education, arts and crafts and theatres. Its wealth of open public spaces, which include parks, gardens on traffic islands and playgrounds, have all increased living standards. These living standards and urbanization in turn contribute a lot to a more respectful and safe environment for women. The city also provides well-furnished, comfortable spaces to many bachelors and women, but at a slightly higher rate. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is known for its architecture of famous buildings like Capitol Complex, High Court, Secretariat, Legislative Assembly and giant open-hand monument. Apart from being the capital city of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh is the first planned city of India. Chandigarh is also credited with being the third cleanest city in the country under the Swachh Bharat survey of 2018. This is one perk for women living here since cleanliness is another most important factor after safety. Chandigarh is also known to be the cultural capital of India, with many artists and writers residing here. The frequently held exhibitions and performances by singers, dancers, musicians and actors have inculcated among city residents a desire for the best in visual and performing arts besides literary encounters. The city has everything that one thinks of while visiting a tourist place. From a safe nightlife to well-maintained parks and gardens, several tourist places in Chandigarh will leave you mesmerized. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is often considered a safe and secure city in India for women. The city has experienced growing urbanization since the last decade. It has also seen great industrialization in the textile mills and is now called the Manchester of India. Being the center of Gujarat, Ahmedabad enjoys various rich cultural traditions of different ethnic and religious communities and is also the center of Gujarati cultural activities. People in Ahmedabad are energetic and treasure each minute of their life. They simply believe in living life and this makes it very easy for women to adapt quickly if they are new here. Ahmedabad's food is most loved by vegetarians due to its variety. The city is worth experiencing during Navratri, a 9-day festival which is celebrated here with race. Indore. Indore is beautiful and a very good tourist destination. Thanks to the rich black soil of the Malwa Plateau, the city has prospered into being the 4th largest center of the cotton textile industry in India. Indore is also aptly considered to be the business capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is also very famous for its beautiful bangles. The city has a mixed cultural background, and this can also be seen in their food cuisines. People in Indore are hospitable, courteous, and soft-hearted and make the migrants feel at home. This city offers very great spaces to live at a moderate rental price. Kolkata. Kolkata, also known as the City of Joy, is the birthplace of modern Indian literary and artistic thought and Indian nationalism. Its citizens have made great efforts to preserve its unique culture and civilization. Kolkata is also famous for its Bengali music and arts. The city is home to many famous museums and libraries. Kolkata is on the top of the priority list of most of the job seekers, not only because of good earning potential, availability of top companies or education, but also because women here feel safe and respected. The city has been ranked as the safest city in 2019 as per the National Crime Reports Bureau list. Kolkata topped the list for the second time in a row. Most importantly, the crime rate in Kolkata is much lesser than any other city, which is another reason for women to migrate here without any fear. Chennai. This is yet another safe destination in India with a relatively less crime rate. Though Chennai has a lot of poverty, it does not compromise when it comes to literacy, students, and employment for its working population. The city has emerged as a cosmopolitan city, playing an important role in the historical, cultural, and intellectual development of India. The city has a prominent South Indian culture and is an epitome of South Indian architecture, music, dance, drama, sculpture, and other arts and crafts. No doubt, it draws the quality of unity and diversity from India, which makes its citizens much more friendly and hospitable. Chennai is an attraction in itself and is the 5th most populous city in India. Many solo female travelers, students, female employees wish to visit the South capital of India at least once in a lifetime and cherish its rich culture and well-maintained beaches. Hyderabad. Hyderabad, being a hub for various large IT companies, is one of the fastest growing modern cities in India. Hyderabad also provides various cuisines and is especially famous for its biryani. Also known as the city of Nizams and Pearls, the very famous monument of the city Charminar adds up to the beauty of it. Hyderabad is a hub for various large IT companies. Hyderabad is also known by a lot of other names. One of them is the City of Happiness or the City of 1,000 Faces. These names are suggestive of the friendliness that resembles the environment of the city. The city has been marked best for its quality of living standard. Not just this, but the city has topped in almost every aspect. A few of them being low crime rate, good schools and curriculums, low pollution and high employment. With so many accomplished appreciations, people from all over India wish to work here and experience all of it. Jaipur. Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, is popularly known as the Pink City with broad avenues and spacious gardens. The bustling bazaars of Jaipur, famous for Rajasthani jewellery, fabric and shoes, possess a timeless quality and are surely a treasure trove for the shoppers. This fascinating city with its romantic charm takes you to an era of royalty and tradition. Jaipur is one of the most visited cities in India by foreigners and has much to offer to its visitors. The city celebrates lots of festivals and has a wealth of handicrafts and a royal legacy of palaces. Apart from what it offers its citizens, Jaipur is yet another easily adaptable city for women with much more advantageous perks. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.